Hi, guys. Today let's see about SAP third party process. First, let's see the configuration. First let us know about the process, and then we will execute in system how the third party process can be processed in SAP. So first we need to know how in which business scenarios we are going to third party process. So when client doesn't manufacture the goods, then we go to third party process. Example, you can take Amazon, either Flipkart. What Amazon will do, you will order in Amazon, but the Amazon is not manufacturing the goods, and then what the Amazon will do, this Amazon will send this order to vendor. What vendor will do, vendor will deliver goods to customer. Okay, so same way in Flipkart also, so process is ongoing. So third party process is SD and integration. So SD is responsible for order and invoice. is responsible for purchase requisition, purchase order, and vendor creation, MyGo and Myro. And in third party process we have two process. Third party without shipping notification. This is standard process. And here see, customer will place an order and PR will generate, PO will create, and vendor will send PO sent to vendor. What vendor choose? Vendor will deliver goods to customer. So that based on we used to do Myro in SAP. So after then company will raise invoice to customer. So this is third party with shipping without shipping notification, which is standard. So now let's see third party without shipping notifications also. With shipping notifications also. So same process, only the difference is MyGo. Why we do here? How here we do the MyGo. See, customer place order, PR, PO, vendor deliver goods, then MyGo. So in interview they can ask you question, how you comes to know if vendor is delivering how much quantity, based on the shipping notifications. How you create in shipping notification, I will show in system by execution process. After then we do company will do invoice to customer. Then later company will do Myro to vendor. Okay, this is the process of SAP SD third party with shipping notifications and without shipping notifications. Okay guys, I will show you in my next video the process of how to do the third party without shipping notifications and with shipping notifications. Okay, thank you.